Linking the HomeAware smoke and CO transmitter, baby cry sound signaler, or universal transmitter is a very simple process. However, let's start by installing the battery backup and connecting the power cord. After installing the 9-volt battery, replace the battery cover. Then, connect the power cord to the side port. Now you're ready to link your accessory device with your HomeAware main. First, press the Setup button on the main and you will see the word Link appear. Then press Enter, also on the main, and the word Link will start to flash. You now will press the button on the back of your accessory device and it will automatically connect. Thank you. Enjoy your HomeAware system and your new device.